guys, Dr. Christy Ennis. Welcome to Follow Me Friday, where motion is lotion for our strength and our stability today. And extra special if you are 50 plus, maybe hormones are starting to shift, muscle mass is actually starting to decrease. We're going to stop that by doing some of these exercises today. All you need with you are some weights, and we're going to do more repetitions today, so even lighter weights are going to help you out. All right, stand with those feet about hip width apart, knees a little bent. Weights are gonna come in towards your side, elbows bent. You're gonna extend those arms out, only as far as you comfortably can, of course. This really is a good bicep and shoulder one. Now, the key thing with any of these exercises is working until you have a little bit of fatigue. That's what makes the change in the bone. Enough muscle force causes actually bone growth. It's great. So that's why when we've got lighter weights, we're going with a few more repetitions. You're just at home, you follow along. If you don't get to as many reps as I am and you feel a little tired, right, and your arms are like, okay, they're starting to shake, then you can go ahead and stop. That's okay. You don't have to do all the repetitions that I'm doing. Consistent and persistent. That's 8. We're going to shoot for 15 here. 9, 10. You have 5 more. 5, 4. I got my geese in the background there. They're coming back. 3. It's almost spring. 2, even though it doesn't feel like it till June, and 1. All right, I'm going to turn it into a lunge. We're going to step back into a lunge. When we step together, we're adding a bicep curl. So step down, snap, crackle, pop, add that bicep. So we're still working those biceps. And as you go through this workout today, you may get a little sweaty. In fact, you should get a little bit sweaty, which is why I have my element here with me today. 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, 60 milligrams of magnesium, all science-backed, awesome ratio, no fillers or artificial yucky stuff, just yummy flavors. I've got the citrus today. Watermelon's another very popular one with my family. My son alternates between them, and he's a huge sweater. Whew. And I already am having a little difficulty with this. So if you do have difficulty with lunging, that's okay. Just kind of step back a little bit or lower as much as you can based on how your body's feeling. Trying to not swing. I almost realized I did that. I swung my arms away a little bit. We've got now 3 more on this side, and then of course we're going to switch. So element great if you've been sick, if you've imbibed a little bit too much, to replace those electrolytes. 1 more, and then we're switching sides, and I'll tell you about the offer. Here we go. Same thing with the arms. So arms should be getting tired. We're going to do multiple movements, which is why we're not using heavy weights. Here's, whoa, this side's worse for me. 2. So if you go to drinklmnt.com/Christy Ennis and you place an order, you will get an awesome 8-pack of all their samplers, all their flavors. You can share if you want, or you can keep them to yourself, which isn't as nice. But they are all yummy. Whew. Today's a rough day for me. So I actually went a little lighter in my white, oh my goodness, I can't even speak anymore. I'm working too hard. Went a little lighter in my weights so that I can still get some of that fatigue feeling, but not to the point where I have poor form. That's really important here. Woo. We're going to do a few more, and then we're going back to the other side into that lunge again, but a different arm motion, a tricep kickback. Key thing here too, biceps, try to extend those arms all the way straight. Not as much of a big of a deal as how far up you lift them. Oh, okay, going back to the other side. We're gonna stay in that lunge now. Did I go the wrong side? I might have. It happens. Yep. Okay, stay in that lunge now. Bring those elbows back a little bit and then add that tricep. So still working all those big leg muscles, but adding those triceps in now too. There's 2, 3, 15 here. 4, try to keep a flat back. 5, remember you can keep that back leg straight if you need to. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, triceps aren't done. Neither are our buns. So a lot of times as we start to go through some hormonal changes, and that can happen at any age, because I've had hormone issues for most of my life, actually, we start to get some different issues that go on, like hip bursitis and tendinitis and tendinosis in the hip, the shoulder, the Achilles. So we're really trying to strengthen and lengthen, right? And balance is important there. Also, once those start to get a little weaker, we also start to lose our balance, as I'm starting to do a little bit here. Woo, everything's tired today, that's for sure. We're gonna do 5 more. 5, 4, trying not to move the upper arm here. 3, 2, and 1. It's okay to do that every once in a while too. All right, we're gonna go legs nice and wide, toes out. We're gonna put our weights down by our side. I'm gonna let them come to the front or the inside of my thighs a little, coming down, let those knees follow those toes, and then go ahead up to only shoulder height. If you need to be less than shoulder height, that's okay too. Think about gently squeezing those shoulder blades. Inner thigh here, obviously shoulders, trying to get all those muscles that help protect us too, our joints and all those injuries. We want to prevent those from happening, as well as being buff and strong. There's the 8, 9, 10. If your muscles are not quite shaky by the time we're done, go ahead and do this another set so that you've got 2 sets of exercises there. I'm going to be plenty shaky, I think. We're going to do 1 more, and then weights are going to come into the chest, but we're going to keep that plie at a little pulse here for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it down. Now alternate lifting those heels. Whew. Get a little calf and a little more balance. Inner thigh should be a little burny. 20 total. Here's 4, 5, 6, and then we're going on the ground. 7, 8, 9, 10, halfway. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's go onto the ground. All right, we are down on the floor or on the bed if you have a firm bed. You're gonna bring those weights above your head so arms are straight. We're gonna lift up into a bridge pose. Lift as high as you can without arching. Keep those arms straight where they are. And let's get that tricep in. So we're still working glutes. We're working those triceps even a little bit more. We're gonna do 15 like this. So here's 3. I'm holding my butt up that whole time, hopefully. 4. They call this a skull crusher, and you can see why that might be, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more to go like this, and then our butts are coming down. 5, 4, 3, of course, keep breathing. 2, and 1. Okay, butt's gonna come down, arms are gonna stay up. Bring those legs up. We're gonna get into that dead bug or struggling turtle, opposite arm and leg. I'm lowering my leg as far as I can without arching that back. And then the same thing goes with those arms. You only wanna go as far back without arching through any other part. We're gonna get 20 total. Then we're going into hands and knees. That's 5, 6. If you need to, you go ahead and keep one leg on the ground. That makes it a little bit easier too. That's 9, 10, halfway there for this one. I noticed I was rocking a little bit there. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. This is a brain one too. 4, 3, 2, last one. Okay, going on to hands and knees. Keep your weight handy. You don't need it for the very last exercise, but you do need it for this. So keep the hand in one weight. That would be quite the feat. Keep the weight in one hand. We're gonna do a form of bird dog here. So Right leg is going to extend as I row up. Whew. And this one is definitely a stability one. So we're using the whole core as well as some of those shoulder stability muscles. So there's 3. Try not to let yourself tilt. 4. 15 again on each side. 5. 6. You can always extend that leg back with your toes down if you need to, again, for balance. 8. 9. 10. 5 more. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Whew, and switch. Definitely getting tired after all the work today. All right, same idea, a lift and a row. There's 1. 2, notice my leg doesn't lift super duper high or I'll be arching my back. 2, we don't want that. 4, 5, 6, 7, try not to press for dear life into this arm. It's hard. 8, 9, 10, 5 more. 5, 4, and then 1 more exercise. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we're gonna end with the classic push-up. I am staying on my knees today. You guys can go ahead and get up on your toes if you want, but not me. I'm listening to my body. Here we go. Bring that body down. Try to keep those elbows going straight back for you. You can turn those hands out a little bit to protect that shoulder a little. Here's 4. You can see me shaking a little here. 5, shoulders, triceps, pecs. 6, 7, 8, abs 2, 9, oh boy, 10, 5 more, and then you're done. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and done.